Hello everyone. Today we are meeting after a long time. So here I am with actually with the ending of winter arc and the starting of my summer arc. This winter arc was finished in February, and my summer arc I have started from 1st of May, but I am late because of my academic works and my exams and some problems I had. I have to tackle with those problems. That's why I was not able to make video or announcement video for the end of my winter arc and starting of my summer arc. So I'm starting my summer arc. I have started my summer arc from the 1st of, and the winter arc. The main thing, the one thing I said in the October that I am going to do something and I will see something which will happen with me. So I can say, but with the 100% goals or my targets, I only achieved 30 to 40%. Yeah, like one of the target I missed. I'm saying to wake up early. I said in that I will wake up early, but no, I didn't. I used to wake up at 7 or 8, or sometime 9 if I have classes at 10:30 and all. It was on me. Still, I am going to that problem only. Like I'll wake up at same time around 6, not 6 actually, around 7 or 8 or 9. Usually, like same thing I am doing this time also. But now I have uh, think this thing. I am thinking about this thing. Like I should change one of these problems. I have to work on this, and this is like my what we say in the terms when the New Year's come. We take oath, right? We do some what that we I forgot the name actually. I forgot that word. Leave it that. Leave the word. But still, I'm saying that we do some renovation. No, not renovation actually. We do some not a procrastination actually. I forgot. Leave that word. Okay. So I'm just saying. So my winter architectural results I'm saying. So my winter arc was a success, not a success. I don't know that. Yeah, it was a failure, success. I can say first failure, then a success. For my gym, main thing I started that winter arc for my gym purpose. October I did well. November I did half. December I didn't go properly because my third sem examination and I was too lazy. Literally, this is my second point which I have missed. The targets I have set. This was the thing I have missed. Like away from laziness, have social activeness. This was the thing. December I didn't go properly, and which showed I got to know this thing in the end of February that I missed gym and I missed some particular portions in my body, especially my forearms in the gym and my shoulders actually. Like I used to skip shoulders, and in January I did complete. February also I did. In February I think so if I remember clearly, 1 week I took a break because I had some back pain in my back, and yeah, in February itself I think so if I remember properly, I took a break because of my this neck. There was a strain in neck, so because of that I took break. In April I went gym. Sorry, in April, today is April, and I am going gym properly. Now May is coming, sorry, and this is 17, as I said, 17 April. So this 17 April actually from last Monday I didn't go gym because I have my internals. I had my internals. Tomorrow is Friday, so my university gym will be closed. But still on Saturday I'll go and I'll do whatever I'll I'll decide actually. But mainly I will focus on legs. So one thing I said in starting that I will maintain a journal. Yes, that was the thing I did, and I maintained a journal. This was my small diary, like this. Even I made my trip plans and all in this. Some places I have visited in last 6 months, like yeah, Tanjavur, Pichavaram, Chidambaram, and Tiruvannamalai. to these three places I have visited. I have gone to these places. So if I'll show you, I have started this thing from October, like this. This was the October, and till the this is the April, and here I am. In April, I have certain goals which I am following. Not goals exactly, certain tasks I have to do daily, or if I am not doing them daily, I should mark them. Mark them just for my recognition, or my think like if I'm doing it or not, if I'm consuming something on a regular basis or not, like coffee. One of the thing I have mentioned here is caffeine in consumption. Like I don't consume caffeine that too much, but still if I'm consuming caffeine per day or once in a week or twice in a week, so I noted down. I marked it, and some other things are there. 5 a.m. wake up, like this thing was the common, like 5 a.m. If I'll wake up at 5 a.m. or not. This was the task I never completed. This thing, and mainly sleeping at 11:30 or 12 o'clock. This is the time right now. I think so 1 o'clock in night I am recording this video. So here I am with these two things I am missing from last October. I am literally so much embarrassed about this thing. Still, I don't know. After this sim, fourth sim, I'll go home and I will try to focus on this main thing to wake up early. As you know, if you go home, if you are in home, so your parents will, especially my parents will not allow me to sleep till 7 or 8. Even they will wake me up at 5:30 or 6. And one more thing I said during that time, during the announcement of winter, that I'll read book. So this was the thing, I'll read book. I said in October I did reading one book actually. November 2 I did. December I didn't, as I said. I had my third sem, and at that time I was busy with my juniors farewell. Not farewell, actually it's a freshers party. I was busy in that stuff, and I had so many problems with my laptop also and some others too. But that time I didn't do this thing. But in the ending, like when we had our winter vacation, I didn't go home. I was there in my university, and I did gym at that time, and I visited these three places I mentioned earlier. That time I did these things, and the book reading I was saying one book reading. January, yeah, I did little bit. February mid and starting first week I did. After that I didn't do. I'm busy in my works only, internship, applying for internships and all, and my academic work. So I usually don't have time. If I have time, so usually I will sleep at that time. I will take a rest. And gym, mainly I'm going gym. And one more thing, I am doing something which no one knows actually. This thing, people will get to know who are following me or who is seeing my videos. This thing I'll gonna update what I am doing actually. I am reading some stuff from last so many months. This thing people will get to know before starting my winter rag. Even starting to go to the gym, I am busy in something from last more than 6-7 months I think so. It's been 8 months I think so. So I'm busy in that stuff, and people will get to know soon about the thing. I will announce it LinkedIn. And I said one more thing, that I will start web development. Web development is the thing, literally the third thing I have missed to accomplish. The third goal I have missed to accomplish was the web development actually. The web development I did January, I did, as I said, October, I did November also. I didn't upload any video on YouTube. January I did at that time. I have uploaded only one video on that. After that also I did something about JavaScript and all, but I left at the time because of my academics itself. I don't have that, because if you are studying, so I need some time to grab something. So I took a long time to grab something. Even JavaScript is a little bit hard because I am the learner. I don't have any background in CS and all. I didn't study that thing in my school too, languages and all. So I took a break from that thing. After ending of this semester, actually I'll start JavaScript, but by the side I'll focus on mainly on Python too, because Python is a kind of necessity for me, as I am a geology student, basically honest geology student. So it's kind of like I need that language for data analysis and all. So there is a requirement for that language in my profession too. So I have to focus on that thing. And my diet is like yeah, diet is going okay. Sometimes I am missing my goals, like today I didn't eat because you need time and you need things with with you at the proper time. If you don't have time, if you are missing your time, so you can't eat. Like in starting, if I say in winter hours, what I was doing, I was eating the things in the night. Like if you people know about the sabudana, that is paisam. I used to eat that thing in 12 o'clock at night during October month, September or October. I left after that, but yeah, still I was eating that thing in night, which is not good actually. Eating stuff or thing anything in the night because it will create problems and gastric issues in the night if you are eating at night too late. Like I used to eat those things at 11 or 10 because like my day was completely packed till 4:30 or 2 o'clock. I am packed, and after that I'll take a rest and I'll do whatever stuff I said I am doing from last that months, some months, and then my gym or something gym, and then I don't have that much time because I have to prepare my smoothie, I have to prepare my diet. Diet means I was taking eggs at that time. I had protein powder, it was over, so I started taking eggs, 4 eggs per day, and my smoothie with the smoothie I have. That's it. That was my protein consumption at that time. But after that, from January itself, I have started taking consuming protein powder. That is Atoms. I am consuming Atoms protein powder, and with that Atoms now from March, mid March, I think so, from 20th March itself, if I am clear, I have started taking creatine. So the one thing I am missing here in is this the forearms. One of the worst thing, like worst muscle to build up because the forearms and calves, especially legs, take too much time, and my shoulders. As I said, when I started gym, I used to skip shoulders because it was so hard to do shoulders. Even I can't pick some grams of weight from my shoulder for 20 reps. Like I can't even do 20 reps properly at that time. But now, yeah, I can pick 5 kg. I can do lateral raises and all. Like it's so good. If you do shoulder, you will feel it and you will like it. No, I'm doing it. My shoulders are coming in shape. My bicep is there. My chest is there. Chest, you can see this old image and this image, and you can see this. I think so. This is the August or July image, and this is the somewhere around like this image is now only recent time. I will mention the date. I don't remember actually. I will mention the date and all. So these are the images. My legs, if I say like yeah, same legs. Like I used to skip legs. If I will see my this thing, this my journal. If I am mentioning here gym, so I will see here. I have missed leg days, and January especially I have missed those leg days. I went out somewhere, some places, or I had some health issues and all. Same, that's it. And health issues means like I in the last 7 or 8 months, if I'll say, I didn't have fever and all. Yeah, I didn't have fever. Even I didn't have any vomiting issue because like here the weather is kind of like that. You must have something like some problem you will face. But no, only cough. That's it. I didn't have fever from that much time, and it's good actually. I didn't have fever. Not that. Only cough issues and all. Some changes. But yeah. So this is video is especially for the announcement of my summer arc, as I have started from this April 1st itself, and I am following it. Just as I am skipping my gym especially because of my academic things and all. And one more thing, winter or this art thing is not only about gym, as we know, as a gym guy or whatever. We know this thing is not art. This thing is actually the main discipline building. Discipline comes from us only. I have learned this thing from last October itself. Like whatever I am doing for myself. And the thing is, actually, I am lacking behind because of me. My fight is with me only. I am not waking up early. It's my issue. I am not doing gym regularly. If I am skipping it because of me. So I didn't do shoulder properly starting because of me. I didn't do legs. I skipped legs because of me. But yeah, I can say now I will do, and sure I will do. I will show these results in the mid-June when I go home, or if I'll get an internship, I don't know. But yeah, if I'll get, that is okay. But still, I will try to do better and more better far better than the last 5 months. That's it I am saying now today. And whatever I have announced in that winter arc, same I am gonna follow here now. And one more thing, if I remember properly, I have announced in my winter arc video that I'll get bald, but I got bald actually. I didn't get bald at that time, but I got bald hair this time in April. In April starting, I got a haircut because actually I started using keratin also. So earlier I had hair fall, but I didn't have that much. But because of the keratin, I think so. I don't know. Yeah, but I got to know like from some physician and all, and I have seen some videos also, research topics and all like keratin. Because of the use of keratin, also there can be some issues, hair loss issues. So I did a haircut. I went to barber shop and I asked him to cut my all hairs. Like I applied one number machine here and zero hair, zero trim and one number trim. So that was the thing. And I will say about my progress actually, gym progress. You know, there is a bar actually in gym. Small bars are there. This much like rods of 5 kg. And when I started gym, if I remember my bench press, okay, bench press was my this side 2 kg, this side 2 kg on rod, and this simple rod, this much, this length, and this side weight 2 kg, 2 kg. I started with that bench press. If you know bench press, this chest workout, yeah, that was the chest workout. I started that. Now my bench press is 20 kg rod with 5 kg on both sides. I don't have 10 kg on my gym, but still I'm trying to improve my number of reps actually, not set. I don't want to increase the weight now, but I want to improve my number of reps. So I'm doing that. I'm doing 30 kg. If I include whole weight, that is 30 kg actually with rod. And that is good for me. If I see myself last 9 months, and if I'll compare the recent time, there is a lot of improvement. Yeah, still gym takes time, but it's on us or it's on me that how much I'm improving myself. Bench press was the thing. Bicep curl, I'm saying bicep I was used to do with the 2 kg on both sides. Now bicep curl I am doing with 5 kg. With 10 and rod, that is something around 16 or 17 kg weight. Yeah, this much bicep I can do easily. 3 sets of 15 reps. Easily I am doing. I didn't increase the weight till yet. Like with just from May itself, in between, I am going to increase my weight in this and leg, especially leg squats with weight. With weight squat, I am doing 30 kg. That with the rod and 5 kg on both sides. With the rod 30 kg I am doing, and now from the legs next this upcoming Saturday, I don't know this, but yeah, if I'm clear, but I'm going to start this squats weight squat with 15 kg on both sides because we don't have 10 kg in our university gym. Still, I will try with the support now as much as I can do. My friends will help; they will support, give a support to me, and my legs I'm doing proper now. If I do simple squats, we not me, yeah, my friend also and me also. Now I can easily do 200 squats. No one in my friend circle gonna believe those who don't know like how much I have improved myself. Yeah, but it's 200 squat like in a split of with like it's a set actually. I'm saying a combined 200. I can do like 60 ones easily, and we did this. Me and my friend did this very easily. 60 and 80 something, yeah, 60, 80, and then rest we did. I have done this because that day actually I didn't go gym, and that day one day it was a heavy hectic day. Evening we had some event. My batchmates, I had an event in March itself. So that day we have tried this, and literally we did. We drank about 2 liters of water during that workout period with the glucose, and we had keratin before doing that, and then we did calf. That calf was around 150 calves, like continuous we did, and after that nothing else, only legs over, no lunges, nothing, only squats, wider squats and short squats. Short squats were something around, I think so. If I'm clear, that was 50 squats, some 50 squat, 50 short squat, like this much. And wider squats we did 80 and 60. The rest we did simple. And hand movements was like this above this. And if I say my tricep I am doing very easily. My tricep has a lot of improvement from not a lot, but if I have a lot, not lot of that it's in shape. My muscles are unlocked. My back I am saying it's unlocked. Tricep I am doing with the mainly with the this I am doing with around 20 kg weight now, 20 kg, or I am using 2-3 kg extra on it, and I am going to improve it and increase the weight. Number of set I have mastered that one, number of sets and reps with that weight, whatever is my maximum failure, and I am going to improve it and increase it from May. In between I said, as I said, I'll increase the weight in so many things. Back, if I say back was the thing, I didn't skip actually, but yeah, I did, and I was not doing it in proper way. But yeah, from January, February itself, I have started it in a proper way, and my back I can see not that much growth. Yeah, but I can see like it is wider, and it is increasing, and it will take time. But yeah, the thing is, everything, all the changes comes from us, or we are the one who initiate. We don't need motivation. We don't need anything. It's just about, or just it's ourselves who will focus on our things, our academics or whatever. See, I am in a stage, I am in a college now. My parents don't say anything to me about study or to improve myself or my personality, whatever. But it's on me how I am improving, how I am taking suggestion, how what things I am consuming, what thing I am following, what thing I am doing, and what things have effect on my daily life. So this was the thing today video I came to you, and that's it. It's over. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a good day and subscribe. Bye.